Introducing a revolutionary new breakthrough in material science. tetraCORE for waterjet cutting. The first new grade of orifice material introduced to the waterjet industry in over 30 years. An elaborate technology engineered at the atomic level. tetraCORE is the achievement of a binderless, strategic structuring of the atomic lattice. tetraCORE employs an extremely tough and durable tetrahedral bond designed to resist erosion, chipping, and fracturing with reduced operating costs. The team of experts at Diamond Technology Innovation was facing the challenge of creating a grade that would outlast rubies and sapphires in the broadest range of ultra-high pressure cutting and cleaning applications. The result was a remarkable innovation that is redefining the world of waterjet cutting. The new tetraCORE Orifice offers a more reliable, more cost-efficient solution for every waterjet application, with a significant increase of 10 to 15 times more orifice life when compared to rubies and sapphires, far greater jet stream consistency, and far less supervision.
This is probably the biggest thing DTI could come out with in terms of a new cost-efficient product featuring longer life and added precision.
We've been challenged to develop a revolutionary new product, tetraCORE, and we absolutely accomplished our goal.
tetraCORE's success has already been proven with extensive testing around the world.
Our initial trials were excellent, so we ran tests at multiple facilities worldwide. tetraCORE has the potential to double the size of the waterjet industry.
tetraCORE has revolutionized waterjet cutting in every performance area with a new high-technology innovation process that ensures consistent jet stream quality for the entire lifetime of the product.
tetraCORE is the first material that's ever been introduced into the industry with the intent on offering the customers an alternative to the unpredictable rubies. tetraCORE has a life in excess of 10 times that of the ruby, and it's the most affordable orifice you can buy.
There is simply no better choice than tetraCORE and DTI to meet your future waterjet challenges.